Somebody, anybody, pinch me and tell me this ain't real. Today, y'all, as of today, I have made $9,802 from selling digital products. I am mind blown. I am literally almost $200 away from hitting my 10K goal with selling digital products. And y'all, I could not be more grateful. I could not be more excited. I cannot believe this is happening. Well, I can't believe that it's happening because I know the God that I serve. But y'all, just pinch me. I'm excited. Let's go. Today, I want to motivate you and I want to tell you, I want to let you know, keep going. If you started this business, if you haven't started this business and you've been thinking about it, let this be your sign. Start. Put one foot in front of the other and start. Stop overthinking it. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting around. Stop saying you're going to do it tomorrow. Start. You guys, I literally started this. I've been inconsistent when I first started because I had no idea exactly what I wanted to do. I didn't know how I wanted to approach this time, but I knew that I was destined for something great, and I knew that God was telling me to do this thing, and I did it. I freaking did it, y'all, and I'm excited. And you know, 10,000 might not be a lot to you guys, but to me that means everything because I ain't have to do anything different. I haven't had to do anything that I didn't want to do. All I've been doing is literally talking, doing what I'm doing now, being myself, inspiring, motivating, encouraging, pushing the digital products, and telling people what is possible. And look what happens when you become consistent, when you put one foot in front of the other, when you do what you are being called to do, everything works out for you. God said your gift will make room for you, and you guys, your gift will make room for you. I am proof that all you have to do is get started. So I wanted to make this video today and show you guys what's possible. I'm almost there. $200, just 200, and I'm claiming before the week is out I'm gonna hit that goal because I know that I am, and I know that I can. So I wanted to let you guys know, if you've been thinking about selling digital products, I want you to make sure you go below, and I want you to subscribe right now to my channel first, and I want you to subscribe to my website because you guys, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I am getting ready to launch something that is gonna be mind-blowing, that is gonna be so beneficial to you guys. I wanna help you, and I want you to be able to follow the blueprint of exactly what I've done to get here. I am ready to help you guys. First, subscribe to the channel because I want you to get all of the valuable information that you can get when I post, because your girl has been on a streak. I'm trying to post every single day here on YouTube, and I want to make sure that you are getting all of this valuable information. So even if you can't afford to get what's coming, what's about to launch here soon, I want you to still get this valuable knowledge that I give you guys on the daily. So if you're ready and you want what's coming, make sure you go down and you subscribe to my website so that you can be one of the first ones to know what's coming. And I'm gonna let you guys know, it is not gonna be something you can afford. I'm making it where everybody can afford it, and I want to make sure that you are one of the first ones to get it, because for my YouTube channel I am giving you guys a huge discount. Like, it's literally not gonna cost you guys penny on a dollar, literally. Like, this isn't something I'm even selling with 3 numbers, with 2 numbers, okay? But anyways, you guys, I want you to get started with your digital product business. I want you to go ahead, figure out what it is you want to sell, and I want you to get started. So the first thing you need to do is come up with a game plan. You need to have a strategy. One thing I can say about selling digital products is when I was inconsistent, when I didn't have a real strategy, when I didn't have a plan in place, I literally was not making consistent sales. I would make sales here and there, but it was never consistent. But the moment I put a plan in place, the moment I came up with a strategy, the moment I structured my business properly, that's when everything else began to shift for me. So if you've started your digital product business and you aren't seeing consistent sales, it's because you don't have an actual plan and you do not have a strategy. You have to make sure that you have your strategy and that everything in your business is structured so that you can get consistent sales. So y'all, look what my cups say. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. One thing that I can say is when it comes to starting a business, when it comes to starting your digital product business, a lot of times we self-sabotage. We get in the way of our own self. We feel like we can't do it. You probably are comparing yourself to other people online. And that is what's stopping you from getting started. And I want you to know today, all you have to do is show up and be your own self. All you have to do is get on here, stop saying that you can't get on camera, and show up and be consistent and give valuable information. Now, when it comes to you starting your digital product business, you have to remember that you have to be the solution to a problem that a specific group has. So let's just say, for instance, you are a single mother and you homeschool your children. The solution that you would be to single moms' problems would be, this is how you get to spend more time with your children, homeschooling them and teaching them how to do X, Y, and Z. You want to make noise. You want to get a buzz around a specific topic, and you want to educate them and you want to teach them exactly what to do. Okay? So when it comes to creating content, when it comes to selling digital products, you have to remember to give out valuable information so that people can buy your digital products. Now, when it comes to you giving out valuable information, you're going to tell them why they need this. You know, so if you are a single mom and you homeschool your children, you want to say, this is why I homeschool my children. These are the benefits. You know, you want to give them information around that for your content, but you want to sell the how to homeschool them and how to do X, Y, and Z in your digital product. So I know a lot of times people get confused. A lot of times people say, you know, they can't come up with content. And if you guys cannot come up with content, guess what? You don't have to, because you have AI technology. You can literally go on ChatGPT and you can say, hey chat, I am such and such. I like to teach other single moms why they need to homeschool their children. These are the things that I have knowledge in. This is what me and my children do on a daily basis. Can you give me 30 video topics that I can go on YouTube and I can begin to talk about for the next 30 days so I can have a content calendar? And guess what? ChatGPT is going to give you guys 30 videos so that you can go ahead and get started with your content. And once that is done, guess what? You can also ask ChatGPT, hey chat, I need to come up with a course. Can you help me to come up with this course for me to say X, Y, and Z? You guys, a lot of times you are overthinking this. A lot of times you are getting in your own way. A lot of times you could have been done started a long time ago, but yet you continue to make excuses. And if you are saying that's going to take you too long, you don't have enough time and energy to put into coming up with your own ebook or coming up with your own course, guess what? You can also sell a done for you PDF or ebook course or whatever from someone who has PLR products. So if you see a PLR product, that means that it's private label rights. That means that you are able to resell it so that you can keep 100% of the profit. Now, if you're saying, where do I get this PLR product? Go down below, you guys. Down below, I got you. Down below, you can go ahead and get my PLR vault that I have created that's going to help you to start your digital product business, okay? If you do not know what to sell and you don't know what niche to go into, down below. My PLR vault is gonna literally give you so much different content ideas, where all you have to do is grab something out of the PLR vault and you will begin to make content around that specific topic. Now, when it comes to whatever it is that you choose to sell, make sure, you guys, it's something that you want to talk about on a daily basis. I always say you need to find something that you are interested in, because if you are not interested in that topic, you will get tired of talking about it. You want to make sure that whatever you choose out of this PLR vault is going to be something that you can talk about every single day, even if you are not making sales. You want to make sure that you have knowledge in it, and you want to make sure that you can give valuable information. But if you don't have the topics, again, you can always use ChatGPT so that you can get those topics, okay? So I want you guys to go ahead and get started. I want you to get out your own way, and y'all, let's do this, okay? It's literally August 13th at the time of this recording, and we literally have work to do. We have, what, 4 months before the year is out? And I want you to ask yourself, in 4 months, where could you be if you just get started? Where would an extra 10K put you in your life? How can that help you along your journey? If you know that you can use an extra 10K, you need to go ahead and get started. You need to stop making excuses, and you need to just do this, okay? So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go back and watch other videos so that you can get the knowledge that you need so that you can hit your first 10K. Thank you guys, and I'll see you back here on my next video. Bye.